Hi, my name is Kelsey, and this is my ad for my final ad campaign. I chose a Nike ad from 2013. We will take our chances. We will hashtag make it count. And this ad just really spoke to me. My daughter plays softball. We love baseball, so I just thought it was a great ad in the way it was laid out. So one of the things that stood out is the white lettering on the top of the ad. And I like that it's white, it's bold, it sticks out, it kind of mutes the background, but it doesn't take away from it. And I like that it's right over where the catcher and the runner are, so you can't really tell what the outcome is, but they both took chances. For typography, the letters, it's a sans serif. The letters are really bold. They're big. I like how it's smaller right here, and then this takes precedence. We will take our chances, and then just below, we will, and then hashtag make it count. But everything lines up together. It's centered, which is nice, and so I really thought that was a great job on their part. I do like the colors on the ad, how you have the background where dust is flying, and there's a definite one player's in white, one player's in blue, so you know that they're on opposing teams, and you see the little Nike on their shoes. I blocked it right here, but and then you have the sun, so it just really is striking. So here's my new ad, and I chose softball because my daughter's in softball. And we really tried to do a lot of the same things, but really make it about a younger generation, a rising generation of sports players, to change our audience a little and to kind of go with this, girl empowerment movement that's going on. So we kept the center alignment, made sure that the words were still bold, but we kept that in the center, so you can't see, once again, is she out? Is she safe? She's at practice. You can tell she's with the coach. It's not in a game scenario, and we wanted to make sure that the text would be aligned and have that big impact. I keep saying we because there's we in the ad, so I mean I. So once again, talking about the theme, I wanted to take that from 2013 that showed professional baseball players and take it down to amateurs, where these are kids that are working 3-4 days a week on their craft and really practicing so they can get to those higher levels. And, especially with young girls, I know we spend hours at the ball field and at practice and with coaches on the side, and so they really do try to make practice perfect. Typography, we kept I kept the sans serif through a lot of recommendations from you guys, and before I had it a different way, and made the we will make it hashtag we will make it count. I did get rid of that line because I thought the line was awkward before. And so that is my presentation. I hope you guys like it, and thanks so much.